Hi friends! Now that the spring has started, it is the best time when your garden needs your love. It's a time to begin with your gardening jobs and manage your greenery. So welcome to Ritz Life, Ritz Way, and in this video I'll be telling you 5 major jobs to do in your garden as the spring starts. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So without any further ado, let's know our spring jobs to do in our garden. So first job to do in our garden is pruning, the most important one. Pruning of summer plants like hibiscus, bougainvillea, mogra, curry patta, oleander, herbs etc. so that spring will give them new boost of branches and we will have maximum blooms and greenery. Second important job will be digging of soil and repotting of old plants so that soil gets aerated. Good digging makes the soil porous, improves the drainage and removes obstacle from the plant's roots. It also helps in removing the weeds which usually hamper the plant growth. And in this process, repotting of plants is also important, not just because plants has grown large roots, but sometimes for giving your plant a fresh new soil to grow. So friends, third important step to do in the spring is fertilizing. Besides sunlight and water, fertilizing is must for all plants at least twice a year, whether they are perennials or annuals. Fertilizer play an important role in providing crops with the nutrients they need to grow and be harvested for nutritious food. Fertilizers such as mustard cake can be given till March every 15 days to fruiting and flowering plants, but after that, compost or compost tea would be better in summers. Friends, fourth important job to do in the spring is checking the infestation. As in changing weather, insect attack is common, so use of neem oil for infestation and cure from pests, as prevention is better than cure. And now, last but not the least, it's best time to sow the seeds of summer flowers and vegetables, so get yourself ready to grow chilies, tomatoes, capsicums, brinjals, and also it's the right time to sow the cuttings of winter plants to prepare them for next season. So I think now you all are clear about the spring jobs of garden. If you have any doubt, do ask me in the comment box below. Until we meet again, go catch the season, friends.